Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus Beiruti the only way. First, gather your ingredients. 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, and a bunch of fresh parsley. Drain and rinse the chickpeas, but save about 1/4 cup of the liquid. This reserved liquid is crucial for achieving the perfect creamy texture. Now, let's blend everything to perfection. In a food processor, combine the drained chickpeas, 1/4 cup of tahini, the juice of 1 large lemon, your crushed garlic, and a pinch of salt. Begin processing, slowly adding the reserved chickpea liquid until the hummus reaches a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The Beiruti style is all about fresh additions. Take 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh parsley and 1 small, diced tomato. Gently fold these vibrant ingredients into your creamy hummus. This step adds a delightful burst of freshness and color, distinguishing it from traditional hummus. Finish with a generous drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil just before serving. Your authentic hummus Beiruti is now ready to enjoy. Serve it proudly with warm pita bread, crunchy fresh vegetables, or as part of a larger mezz platter. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.